The Ohio State House will close this weekend as authorities prepare for possible protests. Governor Mike DeWine announcing the State House and other state buildings will close Sunday until Inauguration Day on Wednesday. More than 700 Ohio National Guard members will be sent to D.C. as well for the inauguration. DeWine says some Guard members will stay behind and help troopers provide security in case of some violent protests.
The truth is that there are people in our country who want to turn peaceful protests into opportunities for violence.
DeWine says this kind of violence won't be tolerated in Ohio, and the state will respond quickly if trouble arises.